6.5. Tipoki. My mum and my brother and my dad.
Oh,
and my sister.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't speak Māori in school. A little bit of Māori and mostly just English. Oh. Dodgeball. I mean high jump. High jump. Is a dog.
See?
Have I seen a sheep before? A lot of times.
What
What do I want to be?
Yeah.
Got too many ideas I don't even know.
What's your best thing that you want to be when you get older?
Too many ideas.
Yeah, but it's Where's Mason?
I don't even know what I'm trying. I forgot.
No dream?